I have come to Taunton for the first time. I'm going to explore with you today, this afternoon, beautiful day, and I'll show you around a little bit, the things I see, the things I learn about the place, and there's some beautiful buildings, and I don't know what they are yet, but we're going to find out. See that one there, nice looking structure, and that as well there. And there's some nice beautiful gardens to explore, never been here before, so you see how chill it is. People on the bikes, people sitting on the steps by the grass. So let's start this journey. This very nice building here seems to be the Museum of Somerset, which sounds very interesting. Let's just have a gander on this nice glass bridge. So much beautiful places to explore in Taunton, and I'm going to walk around for the next few hours and do it with you today. But look at it. What's not to like about Taunton? We've got the nice little daffodils coming out because it's spring. And what a lovely little building this is. And just a cafe area to sit and have coffees at the museum there. It's open 10 a.m. till 5. So here we have the castle at Taunton. Lovely looking place. It's got a bar, it's got a restaurant. Pretty epic, don't you think? People just sitting, chilling in the sun and eating out there at the hideout. You see, what a nice little clean place. A lovely feel to it. So there we see it, the castle here on the Castle Green at Taunton. Here we have the hideout. We like our shuffleboards curvy, whatever that means. It oozes, dribbles, it's juicy and satisfyingly messy in the hideout. Here we have the parade on the roundabout, on a little circular bit. Must be kind of a central point. And this building I'm a little unsure right now. And we have Costa Coffee, which to me looks like a NatWest Bank. Well, hey. We have Cafe Nero somewhere around here anyway, let's go find that as well. So this big building here by the parade is the Market House and Arcades. And I think it's kind of a restaurant kind of place, and they serve pizza and other good grub. We're on some nice looking street with some nice little shops. The chocolate place, the perfume place, and that place. But look at it. It's really fine. It's got an old-fashioned 1600 feel to it. So if you want to a hotel that's full of chocolate, that's your place. Hotel chocolate. And there's my place, Cafe Nero. Definitely looking to go in there. That's old-fashioned building, looks very enticing. Here we have Super Juice in case you want a nice juice here in Taunton. A soupy juicy juice. And it smells fruity as well. I like the feel of it sitting outside, the calves, the chairs outside. In this weather, it's really just magical. I like this letterbox. It's like a double size. You know, you don't see them every day. Now I believe we're walking on the high street. A bit more modernised and not so cobbledy and old-fashioned. It's definitely a more of a modern feel to this street. And it does seem to be a little more on the run-down side. There's a few shops empty, like Blight's House. We have Crown Walk here, which looks a bit ghostly empty. I'm not sure what's in here. Let's go find out. Got a Chinese healthcare place, maybe kind of a spa, and nails place, beauty place, and it's a shopping centre. So that's the Orchard shopping centre. There's definitely a chilled vibe around here. This high street seems a little bit unappealing right now compared to some of the nicer little streets here, and a little bit run down with more closed shops just there. It's not passing the vibe check. The Cricketers. That's a good pub for a good pint on a nice day sat outside like that. That looks nice to sit as well. As you see, there's quite a few places that's just closed up, which is a bit sad really, but it's just a sign of the times I suppose. We're approaching some kind of white gate there, so we're just going to have a little snoop at this. This is possibly some nice gardens to go and explore. I do fancy a coffee at Nero, but I want to explore with you. So this is Vivary Park, Very, very interesting to see how beautiful this park is. We'll go and have a 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes walking around. I assume it's not too big, but we'll just go in and feel the vibe, see the greenery, see the flowers, and I'm sure if it's anything like Wellington Park, it'll be amazing. Let's go inside. Gotta say, it's looking really grand, really serene and peaceful right now. These flowers are just wonderful. I mean, Somerset, no one does flowers like doing Somerset in gardens. It's just absolutely stunning, and really can smell that scent. Wonderful flowers.
Oh, it took me a little longer. There was a road closed.
It looks so peaceful and serene for a walk down here. Absolutely magical. It just looks a perfect place to bring your own little towel and just go and sit and have a picnic or chill. Look at it. The green's just stunning.
I saw you doing it and then I saw Dave doing it.
It's not last night.
Really, really serene. It's such a wonderful scene. Look at that. How could you not like Victoria Park? I believe I've got it mixed up, the name of the park. According to Google Maps, it's called Vivary Park. So there is a Victoria Park somewhere. You can see how stunning this is. And duckies. Hello, duckies. I don't believe I've lived nearby over 1 year and never come here. You know, never come here. Who knew? I didn't know Taunton was so beautiful. Look at it. And that is a golf course, of course. We're going to see the ducks because the ducks will be over here. We can go say hi to the friendly duckies. Quack, quack. You alright? Quack, quack, quack. 3 little ducks. 1 female, 2 males. Sat by the stream. Hello. Oh, in the water. Ooh, a nice couple. And yeah. Here we have Wilton Lands. Loads of wildlife. My God. That scared the girl. Look at the birds flying over. They're putting a show on for us. Look at all that. Putting a show on. Let's get a bit close. Let's get in the action. Look at them, look at them. Watch them fly and they'll come back. And they're coming back. Look. Wow. They're putting a show on. These are like red arrows. Wow, isn't that cool? It's pretty awesome. I didn't get pooped on, I don't think. Hello, squirrel. How are you doing? Are you a friendly one? Are you a friendly one? You sure are. I have no nuts. Look at that tail. That was cool. I thought you were going to bite the camera for a minute. I think he's just there. We haven't got anything for him. Oh. Don't go in the water. The squirrels are hopping around. We went from city exploring the high street, to here, in the gardens. We're getting a bit of a mixed bag today. Here we've got 3 pigeons and a seagull. Oh, squirrel. Hello. Pigeons are here. Ah. Oh. Look at it. Beautiful grass area to come and sit on this lush grass. Does it get any better than this here in Somerset? Just how stunning this is. We're on the back end now, so we've come to the end of the loop and we're going to head back. Actually, yeah, we're walking back down there now. But you can see what a beautiful open green this is. Yeah, it's really beautiful, like Wellington Park. But Wellington Park, of course, is a lot smaller than this. This is the end of March and people are out in summer clothes or in t-shirts, sat on the grass, in shorts. And here we have the Taunton Cricket Club. What a beautiful grounds that is. What a fine lawn for cricket. Here we have a very nice looking restaurant, picture and piano. Look at that. Got some high quality food in there, no doubt. Very interesting building here behind us. But it looks pretty impressive, doesn't it? This building is the registry office for weddings and things. Booking weddings. I never expected that. For such a grand building. It's very, very nice. I'm liking Taunton so far. It's just nice, chill vibes to walk around. All ages of people. And there's a lot of character. Look at it. How could you not like it? Really great vibes around here. I'm going to go to Nero and get a coffee. It's 5 p.m. Well, I had a nice coffee in Nero. Now we're heading to Witherspoons. Alright, so I've ordered fish and chips and a prawny beer. I'll show you guys where I'm sitting in Taunton here in Witherspoons. Near the fruit machines. And the bar is there. Food just arrived. Here's fish and chips. There. I enjoyed that little moment, fish and chips. We're entering a centre point once again. So this is our little landmark. Night is falling. It's such a big change to earlier Vivary Park. The sun's gone, it just feels totally different vibes. Here we're back to where we started. And the green and the museum and the castle here. Just like the vibe has completely changed. It's been great. It's been really great. It's nice. There's the rundown parts. You know, I thoroughly enjoyed it. You know, there's certain areas and there's just so much character, like this Castle Green area, I think it is. We've got the big castle there, and there's just so much. Feels like a history. The ambient lighting, the medieval feel. Just love this. It just feels really well looked after. Really good, but I can't believe how fast it seems to have gone dark. There's this really nice bridge at Taggy Away here in Taunton. It's an impressive structure. It's almost like a bridge that will lift up for a boat.